Collective events are a very useful tool as well in Calendly. What are collective events? I will use an illustration for you to understand. Say there are two people who work together in an office, two or more, but they always need to be available to meet with a client, the both of them. They make use of a collective event. They want to see one client, but both of them have to be present. So the system searches through their schedules to make sure that the meetings happen when they are always available. So in this case, how do we create a collective event? You simply click create and then you go to collective. There you name your meeting and then you choose your duration. Right now we have only one host available there. So we're just going to add the next host, who is Tom, and then we apply. Now we all have two hosts in that event. So the availability is the next place that we go to. Remember, these meetings need to happen at a time where both Greg and Tom are available. So in this case, you make use of Greg's scheduling time and Tom's schedule. So in their accounts, they've set up their schedules and the system searches a time that is available for both of them to have a meeting. Now on the schedule here, we have two options. We can make use of Greg's schedule and Tom's schedule. The system will find a time where these schedules intersect, and then a meeting can be set there by an invitee. However, we can force these times to say same time for all hosts if we know that both of them work under the same schedules, probably because they are in the same office. So you choose what is appropriate for your event. Once you do that, you then click create. And now you have a client meetup collective event. So that's how you set up collective events.